Hey, what's up, Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here one of my favorite mecha model kit, which came from also my favorite anime, mecha anime, that was released and aired, I think, year 1984. Let's talk about the Panzer World Galient. So this is the Galient Mecha Model Kit from Academy, and it was from a Korean company. I think this Academy is the counterpart, or just like the Bandai, who produces mecha model kits and aircraft model kits from South Korea. So I'm happy to have this model kit because this kind of model kit because it's not your typical Bandai or Kotobukiya or Moderoid, which came from Japan, but this time I had a kit which came from Korea, South Korea. So the background of this anime is this is like a medieval knight or medieval type of anime where there's this a fantasy or fictionized world of planet Ars, I think, and the main pilot here, the mecha pilot of the Panzer World Galient, is the prince, the supposed to be prince of that world, who is Jordi Border. Yeah, Jordi Border, and he was being invaded by another type of race from other planet. So it's like a domination of the galaxy, something like that. So he's using this Galient, this Panzer Galient machine to defend his homeland. And I was very moved or touched by the story of that anime because it's really dramatic. Better watch that, Panzer World Galient. And I am happy that I already got this kit from Abiling Japan, and let's build this Panzer World Galient now. The box art here shows the Galient, the main mecha suit of the Panzer World Galient, and we can see here he's fighting with the grunt suits of their series, and it's mainly color red. In the box we can see also the logo of the Academy from South Korea. So it's since 1969, and it's my first time to own a kit that came from South Korea, and but I was surprised that they still put the Bandai Namco Filmworks here in credit of Bandai Namco Filmworks, and it says here Academy and Panzer World Galient. So the top of the box we can see some Korean text there, and the whole posterized clip of that anime. And on the top of the box, it's the same of what we can see in the bottom. Okay, in the right side of the box, we can see the Panzer World Galient and some Korean text there. We can see the front view, the rear view, and the big bird mode of the kit. So it can transform into a big bird, a falcon, I think, big falcon, something like that. So I'm amazed to have this kit that transforms. So this is transforms, and to know that there is a transforming mecha model or transforming mecha suit on that year, 1984. Yeah, there is. I know there is a Gundam Zeta, Double Zeta, something like that. So the non-Gundams can also transform, such like this. Anyway, going back to the box itself, we can see on the left side of the box some Korean text. Unfortunately, I cannot read Korean. and it only shows some blueprints of the Galient, the sword that can turn into whip, and this one transform into a big falcon. Okay, when we open the box, we can see the instruction manual here. So it's the same like what it's shown in the box art. So there's this Galient here, and it's colorful. It's like a Moderoid way of manual. The printouts are in color. Yes, mainly it's color red. So it's color printed, and at the end we can see some features of the kit. There's a opening cockpit. There's this pilot sitting on the cockpit. That's Jordi Border, and how to transform the mecha suit. Okay, so there's Jordi Border, the prince, the supposed to be prince of their planet, and he's the one piloting Galient. And we can see here the runner list. So it's not that much. I think I can finish this within 2 hours or 2.5 hours if I'm on the mood to finish it quickly. And we can see here some flyers from Korea. So it's just guidelines or warning on how to assemble the kit. So it's written in Korean text, in English, in French, German, Japanese, and Chinese. And yep, check with parts list before unsealing, something like that. And yeah, just like the Bandai tips for the newbies. So if we open the box here, we can see the parts. So the runners, there are white runners, yellow runners. We have mainly or mostly red runners here. So there are black parts for the inner frames. We have polycaps. There are polycaps here. Tons of polycaps. Yeah, there are 2 runners for polycaps. There's this black runners for the inner frames. And finally we have this big chunks of red parts in the red runner for the armor pieces, and this one are for the weapon, for the sword, for the whip blade, and yep, that's it. So we have the whip blades. I think I will choose the whip blade because it's unique. Most of my kit are in the sword mode. Anyway, let's check this. Let's build this kit after checking the parts. So as always, we do some quick review of the runners before we assemble it. So we go first to the red runners here. So these big chunks are for the runner E here, and it composed of the armor pieces for the kit. We have here runner F and another runner F for the red parts. So we have 2 sets of runner F, and we have here 2 polycaps. 2 sets of polycaps, so it's in runner A, and we have here only 1 set of white runner, which is for the runner D, and we have here the pilot figure of Jordi Border, and sitting inside the cockpit and standing here, and yep, these are white runners. We have only one set of yellow runners. So this is the runner K. So runner K here. So it says here Panzer World Galient. Yeah. Panzer World Galient. Yeah, it says there. And we have here gray runners for the hand pieces, sword. This one, whip blade, sword blade, and the sword handle. And there's this part already detached from the runner way. And we have here black runners. So we have 2 runner each. So it says here Assault Galient. Also here Assault Galient. So I am wondering if there is this another type of Galient, because I know there is this upgraded Galient from the anime. So the first Galient was the Panzer, and the upgraded is the Assault, where it can transform with big guns, shield, and the bottom half of the leg part can move or transform into a tank, something like that. That is why there's this, it says here Assault. Can you see it? Yeah, it says Assault Galient, and there's this Panzer World Galient, or the Panzer Galient. So I think this academy will, I don't know, maybe I will research about that if they have already the other version, the upgraded version of that. And if they have, I will buy it surely. And last batch here we have runner C. Yes, and another runner C here. So we have 2 sets of runner C for the inner frames. So we'll see each other next time for the review of this finished product. And happy building, guys, and thank you for watching. Wait, I forgot there's this blue small thing here for, I think this is for the head, the crest on the head. And what I noticed, there are no stickers for this kit, because all of the parts here are color separated, which is very nice, and this is a plus point for this kit has a plus point for me, because it has no stickers, unlike Bandai with sticker heavy blah blah blah. Anyway, Bandai is boring now, and see you next time, and let's build this Panzer World Galient.